Okay, students, in the previous class we learn about definition of a vector space and a theorem based on the definitions of the vector space. Okay, now we come to an example of a vector space. So for that, see the question: show that the set of all ordered triples of real numbers form a vector space under the addition and scalar multiplication are defined as these two: x1 y1 z1 plus x2 y2 z2 equal to, these are called ordered triples. So that equal to x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2 comma z1 plus z2, and a into order triple x comma y comma z equal to ax comma ay comma az. Here these order triples are vectors and a is called the scalar. So what we given, the set is R cube. The set is R cube. Okay. So R cube equal to set of all ordered triple x comma y comma z. The set consisting of all ordered triples such that individual components x comma y comma z are real numbers or belongs to R. Okay. So first of all we have to recall the definition of a vector space. What is a vector space? V be a set of all vectors and capital F with the field of scalars, then V of F capital F is called a vector space if first condition V comma plus is abelian, second one is scalar multiplication, that is A alpha belongs to V for A belongs to capital F and alpha belongs to V, and the last one there are four conditions are there: A into alpha plus beta equal to A alpha plus A beta, A plus B into alpha equal to A alpha plus B alpha, AB into alpha equal to A into B alpha, 1 dot alpha equal to alpha. By all these conditions V of F is called a vector space. Now here the given set is capital V equal to R cube. Okay. Now come to the answer. వాడు ఇచ్చిందంటే సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఆర్డర్ ట్రిపుల్స్ ఇచ్చారండి. సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఆర్డర్ ట్రిపుల్స్ అయితే ఈ రెండు బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్స్తో, సారీ, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఎడిషన్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్కేలార్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. విత్ దీస్ టూ ఎడిషనల్ స్కేలార్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆపరేషన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రూవ్ ఆర్ క్యూబ్ ఈజ్ ఏ వెక్టర్ స్పేస్. ఈ రెండు ఆపరేషన్స్ ద్వారా మనం ఆర్ క్యూబ్ని వెక్టర్ స్పేస్ని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. సో కమ్ టు ద ఆన్సర్. కన్సిడర్ capital V equal to here R cube. Capital V equal to R cube, that equal to set of all ordered triples x comma y comma z such that x, y, z individually they are real numbers. Okay, now we prove capital V comma capital F. What is here capital F? Here also capital F is the field of real numbers. Okay. So capital V comma R is a vector space. For that, come to the first condition. మనం ఇప్పుడు V comma R అనేది వెక్టర్ స్పేస్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. వాడు ఏమనంటే set of all ordered triples of real numbers they mentioned. So here the field of scalars is capital F equal to R. Okay, come to the first point. V comma plus is abelian. So in that one, first property is a closure property. Okay. Let alpha comma beta belongs to capital V. Don't forget V equal to here R cube, the set of all ordered triples. Okay. Let alpha comma beta belongs to capital V. Alpha beta V lo unnai, but V is the set of all ordered triples. Therefore alpha equal to, for example, x1 comma y1 comma z1, beta equal to x2 comma y2 comma z2. Okay. Therefore alpha plus beta equal to component wise addition. Here also already we defined. Okay. x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2 comma z1 plus z2. Okay. Here x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 individually belongs to R real numbers. So x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2, z1 plus z2 are also real numbers, and hence this ordered triple belongs to R cube. Therefore alpha plus beta belongs to R cube for all alpha comma beta belongs to V. Of course R cube means capital V. Okay, for all alpha comma beta belongs to capital V. Okay, next associative law. Associative law. What is associative law? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. That is the associative law. For that one, take let alpha comma beta comma gamma belongs to capital V. Okay, therefore suppose alpha equal to x1 comma y1 comma z1, beta equal to x2 comma y2 comma z2, gamma equal to x3 comma y3 comma z3. Okay, therefore now alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to, we have to prove alpha plus beta plus gamma. So alpha plus beta means x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2 comma z1 plus z2 plus gamma means here, right, x3 comma y3 comma z3. So that equal to, again add these two ordered triples, x1 plus x2 plus x3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 comma z1 plus z2 plus z3, z1 plus z2 plus z3. So that equal to, here x1 x2 x3 are, these are all real numbers. Okay na? So apply associative law individually to all everyone. ఇండివిజువల్గా ప్రతి ఒక్కదానికి అసోసియేటివ్లో మీరు అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో హియర్ x1 ప్లస్ x2 ప్లస్ x3 మీన్స్ x1 ప్లస్ x2 ప్లస్ x3 కామా y1 ప్లస్ y2 ప్లస్ y3 కామా z1 ప్లస్ z2 ప్లస్ z3. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్ప్లిట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎడిషన్ ఆఫ్ టూ ఆర్డర్ ట్రిపుల్స్. వీటిని రెండు ఆర్డర్ ట్రిపుల్స్గా వీటిని స్ప్లిట్ చేయండి. So that equal to x1 comma y1 comma z1 plus x2 plus x3 comma y2 plus y3 comma z2 plus z3. So that is equal to x1 comma y1 comma z1 means alpha plus x2 plus x3 comma y2 plus y3 comma z2 plus z3 means beta plus gamma. This is beta plus gamma. Okay, so this is alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to, so we prove associative law alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now come to existence of identity. Here in R cube, okay, we have R cube equal to set of all order triple x comma y comma z such that individually x, y, z belongs to R. This is what we have. Okay, now for identity, okay, x, y, z belongs to R, then this order triple belongs to R cube. Okay, since 0 belongs to R, 0 is the real number, therefore order triple 0 comma 0 comma 0 belongs to R cube. Here we called V equal to R cube. So instead of R cube, write V. Okay, call this as 0 bar. Call it as 0 bar. Why? Because it is a vector space. Okay na? So since 0 belongs to R, order triple 0 comma 0 comma 0 belongs to V, that equal to 0 bar. Now we have to prove this 0 bar is the additive identity in V, that equal to R cube. Okay, for that let alpha equal to order triple x comma y comma z belongs to capital V. Now alpha plus 0 bar equal to, write the component wise addition, x plus 0 comma y plus 0 comma z plus 0. So that equal to, again we have x comma y comma z, that equal to alpha. Okay, therefore alpha plus 0 bar equal to alpha. Similarly, 0 bar plus alpha equal to alpha. Therefore, alpha plus 0 bar equal to 0 bar plus alpha equal to alpha for all alpha belongs to capital V. So, from this 0 bar is the additive, 0 bar is the additive identity. The additive identity in capital V. This is the identity property. Next comes to inverse. Next comes to inverse. For that, let alpha equal to x comma y comma z belongs to capital V, where x, y, z belongs to R. ఆ మూడు విడివిడిగా మనకి రియల్ నంబర్స్. ఓకేనా? Since x, y, z are real numbers, since x comma y comma z belongs to R, their additive inverse minus x comma minus y comma minus z belongs to R. x, y, z real numbers అయితే minus x minus y minus z కూడా real numbers. Therefore, take minus alpha. Alpha equal to x, y, z. So, minus alpha equal to minus x minus y minus z belongs to clearly in capital V. Okay, so for some alpha equal to x, y, z, we have minus alpha equal to minus x minus y minus z in capital V. Now we have to prove this minus alpha is the additive inverse of alpha. ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సింది మైనస్ ఆల్ఫాని ఆల్ఫాకి ఇన్వర్స్ అని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. సో దానికోసం ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు 0 దెన్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ ఏ. ఓకేనా? ఏ ప్లస్ బి 0 అయితే బి అవుతుంది, ఏకి ఇన్వర్స్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ ద సిమిలర్ మేనర్ టు ప్రూవ్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా ఇస్ ద ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా, ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 0, వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రూవ్. ఓకేనా? సో ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు ఆల్ఫా మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా, యాడ్ ది కాంపోనెంట్ వైజ్ అడిషన్, ఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ కామా వై మైనస్ వై కామా జెడ్ మైనస్ జెడ్. సో దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 0 0, దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 bar. Therefore, alpha plus minus alpha equal to 0 bar. Similarly, minus alpha plus alpha equal to 0 bar. So, therefore, alpha plus minus alpha equal to 0 bar equal to minus alpha plus alpha. So, from this we say that minus alpha is the additive inverse of alpha. Therefore, minus alpha is the additive inverse. The additive inverse of alpha in capital V. Next comes to commutative law. Okay na? Let alpha equal to x1 comma y1 comma z1, beta equal to x2 comma y2 comma z2 belongs to capital V. Okay na? For that, next come to, now we have to prove, we have to show commutative law exists. What is commutative law? Alpha plus beta equal to beta plus alpha. Alpha plus beta equal to beta plus alpha మనం prove చేయాలి. For that, alpha plus beta equal to, take component wise addition, x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2 comma z1 plus z2. Here x1 x2 y1 y2 z1 z2 are real numbers. That's why we apply individually the commutative law to x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2 plus comma z1 plus z2. ఈ ఎలిమెంట్స్, ఇందులో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్ని ఇండివిజువల్గా రియల్ నెంబర్సే కాబట్టి వీటికి కామటేటివ్లో మనం అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో x1 plus x2 మీన్స్ కామటేటివ్లో x1 plus x2కి x2 కామా x1 కామా y2 plus y1 కామా z2 plus z1. సో దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2 comma z1 plus z2 means alpha plus beta, whereas x2 plus x1 comma y2 plus y1 comma z2 plus z1 means beta plus alpha. Therefore, alpha plus beta equal to beta plus alpha for all alpha comma beta belongs to V, that equal to R cube. Okay, so we prove with respect to the addition, closure, associative, identity, inverse and commutative law. By all these properties, V comma plus is abelian. Therefore, by all these properties, comma V comma plus is abelian. V comma plus is abelian. Next come to scalar multiplication. scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. For that, what is scalar multiplication? A alpha belongs to V, where A belongs to capital F, alpha belongs to V. Okay. So for that, we take only one element, one vector from capital V. Let alpha equal to x comma y comma z belongs to capital V, and A belongs to R. That equal to A belongs to capital F. Here F means car. Okay na? A belongs to capital F. Now A alpha equal to A into x comma y comma z. That equal to, here already we defined A into x comma y comma z equal to Ax comma Ay comma Az. Ax comma Ay comma Az belongs to capital V. Therefore, A alpha belongs to V for A belongs to capital F and alpha belongs to A belongs to capital F and alpha belongs to V. So this is scalar multiplication condition. Together with there are 4 postulates are remain. This is the second one. దానిలో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏంటిది? స్టెప్ రాసుకున్న పక్కన ఏ ఇంటూ ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ ఏ బీటా. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రూవ్. ఫస్ట్ వన్. సో ఏ ఇంటూ ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ వన్. ఫర్ దట్ లెట్ ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు x1 comma y1 comma z1, beta equal to x2 comma y2 comma z2. Now a into alpha plus beta equal to a into alpha plus beta means component wise addition, x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2, z1 plus z2. So that equal to multiply a into x1 plus x2 comma a into y1 plus y2 comma a into z1 plus z2. Okay na? So that equal to ax1 plus ax2 comma ay1 plus ay2 comma az1 plus az2. So that equal to, split it as addition of 2 order triples. Okay na? ax1 comma ay1 comma az1 plus ax2 comma ay2 comma az2. So that equal to, take a as common here, a into x1 comma y1 comma z1 plus a into x2 comma y2 comma z2. So that equal to a into x1 y1 z1 means alpha plus a into order triple x2 comma y2 comma z2 means beta. So therefore a into alpha plus beta equal to a alpha plus a beta for alpha comma beta belongs to B and a belongs to capital F. This is the first one. And next come to a plus b into alpha equal to a alpha plus b alpha. A plus b into alpha equal to a alpha plus b alpha. That is what we are going to prove. For that, let alpha equal to x comma y comma z belongs to b and a comma b belongs to capital F. Now a plus b into alpha equal to a plus b into alpha means here x comma y comma z. So that equal to a plus b into x comma a plus b into y comma a plus b into z. Okay, that equal to multiply ax plus bx comma ay plus by comma az plus bz, az comma bz. Okay, again split it as addition of two ordered triples. So that equal to here ax plus bx comma ay plus by comma az plus bz. So ax comma ay comma az, one order triple. ax comma ay comma az plus second terms bx comma by comma bz, bx comma by comma bz, that equal take a as common, a into x comma y comma z plus b into x comma y comma z. So that equal to a into here x comma y comma z means alpha, a alpha plus b into again alpha. So therefore a plus b into alpha equal to a alpha plus b alpha for a comma b belongs to capital F and alpha belongs to capital V. This is the second condition. And third one, ab into alpha equal to a into b alpha, ab into alpha equal to a into b alpha. For that again check, let alpha equal to x comma y comma z belongs to V and a comma b belongs to capital F. Okay. Now ab into alpha equal to ab into x comma y comma z, that equal to multiply ab into x comma ab into y comma ab into z. So that equal to write ab into x as a into bx comma a into by comma a into bz, a into bz. Okay. So that equal to a into bx comma a into by comma a into bz. We have take a as common, a into bx comma by comma bz, that equal to a into b into x comma y comma z, write it as, take again b as common. So this is a into b order triple x comma y comma z means alpha. Okay. So therefore ab into alpha equal to a into b alpha for alpha belongs to V and a comma b belongs to capital F. And the last one is 1 dot alpha equal to alpha. Let alpha equal to x comma y comma z. Therefore now 1 dot alpha equal to 1 dot x comma y comma z, that equal to this is 1 into x comma 1 into y comma 1 into z, multiply 1 to these members. So that equal to 1 into x means x comma y comma z, that equal to alpha. So therefore 1 dot alpha equal to alpha for all alpha belongs to capital V, that equal to r cube. So up to now we prove first of all V comma plus is abelian, next one scalar multiplication together with the 4 postulates. Okay. By all these properties, therefore by all these properties, V that equal to r cube is a vector space, over the field capital F of real numbers